it's Mom, Juliet. You are never going to believe Rosalind bought a bus. Yes, you heard right, a bus. Why would anyone want it? What is wrong with that sister of yours?
What? Where are we?
I'm dizzy, Juliet. Oh, man. It's like some weird giant egg.
Some kind of fucked up chicken monster.
Out of my way, Foghorn Leghorn! I need to get to Rosalind's bus.
Jesus Christ! Just look at your butt. I saw it.
Rosalind! Are you all right?
This trip ain't over yet, child.
Cordelia, Zombie Hunter 101. The faster you finish a stage, the higher your stage clear bonus. Of course, you should also kill as many of those undead a-holes as you can.
Rosalind? Rosalind?
It's like...
Whoops.
It's like a...
I'm glad I took that pole dancing class. I could do this much better in my clear loose-side heels.
Juliet, it's Mom. I hate to be a dingbat, but I guess I forgot to buy milk and I have to make your cake. Would you mind picking some up on the way? Wait. I really am a dingbat. It's sitting right here on the counter.
Awesome!
God, you're hot. I love you, baby. Nick Popper! Time for you, old fart. Strawberry's my favorite.
Be my bride! Oh.
Hurry, Juliet, get in! Rosalind! I was worried about you. Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. This stupid bus broke down, but I fixed it.
Hey, Rosalind. Nice meeting you up close.
How did you fix the bus, Rosalind? Just last week, you had to take your car to the shop because you didn't know cars needed oil. How could you know how to...
Rosalind, where are we going?
Rosalind? Hey. What the heck?
We're adorns. You're great.
Who the hell are you? You smell like shit.
This one was just as insolent.
Rosalind!
Now, open your heart and let my music guide you into the world of everlasting peace and rot and hell. Child, into the rush of chaos and dark. Accept your life. Not yet true. Drive to the bone.
Be careful, Juliet. Be careful, Juliet. Oh, man. Watch out! Hear the thunder and rage of the people. Piss on the graves of the fallen warriors. And pray that your soul rots away. Macrame or stupid guts! Oh, man. Be careful, Juliet! Ambition, courage, pride, prayer, freedom, nourishment, despair, time, chaos. Lives dance, engulfing the world in their fluttering wings, eating away at our souls.
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin-munching moron!
Heavy. Peace out. Way out. Spita reggae from the Fario Coepto.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Rosalind? She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your head
You want your sister back, baby? You need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Poultry Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick.